Say hi, Kalia.
Hi, Kalia.
Kalia's making cinnamon buns.
Rolls.
Buns?
Cinnamon rolls.
Rolls.
I always say cinnamon buns.
How to make cinnamon rolls with waffle iron? What is that? I said how to make cinnamon rolls.
We'll try that next time, okay? Kalia is making the
Just it's gonna fall out. You want to have it on the. There you go.
cinnamon rolls. Good job, Kalia. Alright, so this is a filler haul. This is all healthy stuff. I got some bananas, some Roma tomatoes. I like these on my sandwiches, and I like these on my salads. So I got some of these cherry tomatoes. I got some portobellos. I want to do something with that. Another watermelon, because our other watermelon was ruined. It was just bad. It was bad. Then I got 2 things of zucchini, so I can make some zucchini pasta. I got some lettuce, another thing of coffee. My daughter told me about these. These are the Kind breakfast bars. So I got the peanut butter and the dark chocolate cocoa. Then I got this big baby spring mix. And then I got some pineapple chunks. I picked up these straws because I can't find my straws. And then I got the sweet peppers that I love. Got some more of these. How you say pepperoncini? Uh-oh, there we go. Pepperoncinis. I got the ones that are chopped up. I like to put these on my sandwiches and my salads. I got some lemon pepper, 2 things of that. I got some chipotle ranch and some Italian dressing. So that's what I picked up today because I needed to replenish my healthy foods. And that's my little haul.